Imagine you're trying to scrape reviews from a website, excited to gather all 753 opinions. But oh, you hit a snag. Only 10 reviews show up, leaving you scratching your head. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, for there's a solution to this problem. In the solution, we delve into a magical land of code where the key lies in using Python to fetch the elusive reviews. With a sprinkle of import time and import requests, we embark on a journey through the website's JSON data, unlocking reviews one by one. The secret sauce involves dodging too many request obstacles, pausing briefly when needed, and swiftly moving forward to unveil each hidden gem of feedback. Continuing down the path of wisdom, we transition to understanding the heart of the solution. Here, the focus is on navigating through a structured loop and decoding the review data like a true data detective. Each review is meticulously unboxed, revealing tales of joy, disappointment, and the occasional mix-up of space gray with silver. The code dances elegantly, orchestrating a symphony of comments that paint a vivid picture of customer experiences. To wrap it all up, we've journeyed from the land of limited reviews to the realm of abundant feedback. Armed with Python prowess and perseverance, scraping all 753 reviews is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. So, dear viewer, go forth and conquer your data scraping quests with newfound confidence. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your feedback is just as valuable as those 753 reviews. And hey, maybe leave a comment if you once received silver instead of space gray. Cheers!